hello here from Labelexpo floor in Barcelona this time. I'm here with Thomas Sawitowski from Actega. Big announcement for this show. If you could just tell us firstly a few words, what have you announced at the show?
Yeah, we announced our partnership with HP on LEP Digital Primer. We are working on that one for a couple of years already, and we are so happy that we could release it almost like a day before the show started. And now we have a product that we can sell into the market for 6K and 8K presses of HP.
So what is the significance of that primer?
You know, we listened to the market and we understood that there are still some issues, some drawbacks of the existing technologies, and we tried to come up with a solution that covers some or maybe all of these drawbacks and issues. So one example is versatility in terms of substrates. So you can use our primer on a broader range of substrates. That's one advantage. You have better ink transfer. You have less damages on the print, like ghosting or holes in the ink transfer process. So all that's part of the new primer technology.
So I know you've been working very closely with HP on this project. What that cooperation looked like, and when it started? How long does it take to develop a product like this?
So, you know, I joined Actega 11 years ago, and I know from 8 years ago that we had first contacts to HP in different areas. So we're talking about offset, paper and board kind of products, sheet fed, and then we slowly moved also into the flexible packaging range. And I think key is we have one person in our organization who is the key contact to HP. So it was really all funneled through a person very knowledgeable with the print processes, really putting every piece together that we needed in this collaboration.
And from the printer's perspective, I know that you have got already a printer using this product.
Yes.
Can you tell us more about that?
So we have a set of, maybe you call it beta users, that were selected by HP that we should work with in order to qualify the product. They were very closely monitored, which is okay because that's also securing us in the development phase. And the feedback was most of the time very positive from the start. And therefore it was really creating more confidence in the product, more reliability also in terms of what we can provide to the market. And then something starts rolling, you know, from the first, let's say, positive news into a launch, then it was really like a pull and push situation from both sides. Yes.
Amazing. So this beta tester, can you name the company? Can you tell us more
Labelexpo
about
was one we showed. Right. We worked closely with MCC together as well. So these are the ones that helped us to qualify the product together with HP as a few examples.
And what is the feedback from them at the moment?
Very positive. Now they are also happy that we are officially approved by HP. That eases out the whole next steps, because then we can go in officially as a vendor, as a supplier. We can talk about the switch over officially with HP together. So we are not in this gray zone of, you know, supplying something that might or might not be approved.
So the product is commercially available already?
Yes.
Is it available in all the markets?
We decided together with HP that we start in Europe first.
Okay.
It makes sense because our footprint, our production site is in Europe at the moment, so it makes a lot of sense to start here, but it will be a global rollout step by step.
Fantastic. Thank you very much for your time, Thomas. Catching up with Regina from HP as well. Thomas told us quite a bit about the new primer. It's quite a big achievement from the Actega side. What's the significance from the HP side?
I think it's a revolutionary move that we are doing from HP side on this Labelexpo. We are launching 2 new primers, one from Actega, and for us it's a very big step. We are working for a long time with primers from Michelman, and our customers and the reality, the industry is requiring more flexibility on the supply chain. It requires more application coverage and options that customer needs. It's obviously not only in the primer area. In worldwide, a customer looking for more options in their entire supply chain. That's why we are bringing this primer. Also, we see a lot of potential of this primer to answer questions from our customers. And Actega is our very good partner for many years. And now I'm happy that he has entered additional area of primer and not only coatings. So it's a great achievement for us.
So what's the main benefit for your customers who might be starting using this primer?
I think that it can give a end-to-end solution from Actega. Imagine that customer purchasing the Actega coatings, and now that Actega also providing the bottom layer for the print, they can really develop on solution and discuss. So they are really taking care of end-to-end on the entire label product. This is one. Second, I think it's a new a flavor in our market, right? A new a possibility to customers explore new application capability of this primer. So it's really great.
Right, thank you very much for your time, Regina.